Did you know that eating this with oranges can actually harm your health? While oranges are renowned for their vitamin C and overall health benefits, not all food combinations are good for you. It's important to eat oranges in the right way to maximize their benefits. Pairing them with the wrong foods can negatively impact your health. In this video, I've gathered important information for you to boost your health and protect your immune system. I'll reveal the 3 worst foods to pair with oranges and the 3 best foods to pair with them. Hello everyone. This is your Dr. John here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe and like buttons now. Share this with your loved ones and spread the word about Dr. John. I'll continue to provide you with the best health information. When you think of juicy, sweet, and tangy fruits, which one comes to your mind first? The season of oranges has finally arrived. Have you ever peeled an orange, drawn by its sweet and tangy taste and aroma, only to end up with yellow-stained fingers? Today's main topic is the ultimate source of vitamins, the orange. Oranges are incredibly rich in nutrients. At this time of year, they are especially high in vitamin C, which helps improve metabolism and boost your immune system. The juicy and tangy flesh and pulp of oranges, as well as the zest used in teas and desserts, are all packed with amazing health benefits, making trove of vitamins. But did you know that even such a healthy fruit like oranges can be harmful if eaten with certain foods? Now, let's learn about the 3 worst foods to eat with oranges that can harm your health. And the 3 best foods that can help you stay healthy longer. The first food that pairs the worst with oranges is milk. Have you ever debated whether to drink orange juice or milk for breakfast? Or perhaps you've enjoyed a tangy orange and then had a refreshing glass of milk. It might seem like the calcium in milk and the vitamins in oranges would be beneficial together, but this combination is actually not good for digestion. Do you know why we have banana milk and strawberry milk, but not orange milk or lemon milk? That's right. The reason is that the milk's special protein, casein, curdles and coagulates when it meets acid. So, when you consume sour fruits like oranges or lemons with milk, they form clumps. When these clumps encounter stomach acid, they get bitter and slow down digestion. This is why you may feel bloated and experience indigestion. From now on, when drinking milk, it's better to avoid strongly acidic foods. And instead choose ripe, sweet fruits that are less sour. Frequently eating combinations of foods that are hard to digest can lead to chronic indigestion. So for the sake of your gut health, always opt for easily digestible foods. Wait a minute. Did you know that like the calcium in milk, oranges are excellent for bone health? It's true. Oranges contain beta-cryptoxanthin, a type of vitamin A, that is remarkable for increasing bone density and strengthening bones, making it excellent for preventing osteoporosis. Moreover, oranges have 40 times more beta-cryptoxanthin than lemons. So make sure to include oranges in your diet for strong bones. The first food that pairs best with oranges is sweet potatoes. Just thinking about the tangy orange and the sweet potato sounds really delicious. Amazingly, not only do they taste great together, but they also form a powerhouse combination in terms of nutrition. First of all, a single orange contains over 70 milligrams of vitamin C. Just 2 oranges can provide you with your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. The vitamin C in oranges helps prevent colds, aids in recovery from fatigue, and supports collagen synthesis, making it excellent for skin health. Sweet potatoes, a superfood, are also packed with vitamin C. Therefore, eating oranges and sweet potatoes together creates a fantastic synergy. The vitamins in oranges and sweet potatoes blend well in the body and enhance each other's absorption. This combination doubles the antioxidant effects and boosts cold prevention. During seasons with extreme temperature fluctuations, when immune strength is crucial, eating oranges and sweet potatoes together is highly beneficial. By the way, have you ever noticed the white threads inside the pulp of an orange? These white threads, found in the orange peel, are called albedo, a type of water-soluble dietary fiber. Albedo promotes colon movements and helps prevent and relieve constipation. Combined with the fiber in sweet potatoes and the pectin in oranges, which aids digestion, this duo is excellent for gut health. Additionally, the tanginess and moisture of the orange counteract the dryness of the sweet potato, making them a perfect flavor match as well. The second worst food to pair with oranges is carrots. Despite being known as the king of vitamin A, carrots are surprisingly not good to eat with oranges. This is because carrots contain an enzyme called ascorbic acid oxidase, which destroys vitamin C. This enzyme breaks down the vitamin C in oranges, preventing you from benefiting from the amazing advantages mentioned earlier. Additionally, ascorbic acid oxidase is not only found in carrots, but also in pumpkins and eggplants. So you should avoid eating these with oranges as well. Wait a minute. Oranges are not only rich in vitamin C, but also in vitamin P, which is excellent for vascular health. Interestingly, vitamin P is found almost exclusively in citrus fruits like oranges. Oranges are packed with a miraculous compound called hesperidin, which has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-obesity effects. Hesperidin strengthens capillaries, enhances their function, and helps reduce triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Therefore, for the prevention of arteriosclerosis, hypertension, and cardiovascular diseases, make sure to include oranges in your diet. The second best food to pair with oranges is ginger. Tangy sweet flesh, but also for their peels, which are widely used in cakes, cookies, jams, marmalades, and desserts. You might notice a hint of spiciness in orange desserts, which often comes from ginger, a key ingredient in baking. Some people enjoy orange ginger tea, made by boiling orange peels and ginger together. This combination is not only delicious but also offers incredible health benefits. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and P, cholesterol-inhibiting vitamin E, and folate, A, B vitamin. Surprisingly, the peel contains 4 times more nutrients than the flesh. So it's essential to consume the vitamins and nutrients from the peel as well. Using orange zest in desserts or making orange zest tea is highly recommended. Clean the inside of a well-washed orange peel, dry it in the shade, and boil it in water to make a healthy orange peel tea. This tea boosts immunity, treats colds, relieves coughs and phlegm, and alleviates headaches. Adding ginger to this tea enhances its benefits significantly. The spicy component of ginger, gingerol, combines with the abundant vitamins in oranges to reduce inflammation. This combination not only boosts immunity but also soothes the lungs and relieves coughs. Citric acid helps suppress inflammatory responses, promoting bronchial and lung health. Therefore, during times of significant temperature fluctuations when immunity is particularly vulnerable, be sure to drink orange ginger tea made with orange peel and ginger. Lastly, the third worst pairing with oranges is for those with diabetes. Although oranges are hydrating and among the best healthy yellow foods, they have one significant downside. Oranges are high in sugars. Oranges contain a high amount of simple sugars, which are digested and absorbed quickly compared to other types of sugars. This rapid absorption causes a sharp increase in blood sugar levels. This can stimulate insulin secretion from the pancreas and promote fat synthesis in the body. leading to obesity and inflammation, especially in less active individuals. However, it's important to note that in moderation, oranges can be highly beneficial for people with diabetes. The various vitamins in oranges provide antioxidant effects and help lower lipid levels in the blood. Moreover, they enhance memory and prevent cognitive decline because consuming oranges increases the expression of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is related to neuroprotection. Have you ever noticed your hands and feet turning yellow after eating too many oranges at once? This is called carotenemia. The yellow pigment in oranges, keratin, is absorbed about 30% in the intestines, with the remainder accumulating in the subcutaneous fat, especially at the extremities. However, this is a temporary condition and not a sign of acute diabetes, so there's no need to worry excessively. Lastly, the third best pairing with oranges is delicious nuts. Nuts are a staple in superfoods and longevity diets. When consumed with oranges, they provide tremendous synergy for preventing various adult diseases and boosting immunity. Nuts are rich in unsaturated fatty acids, which are highly effective in reducing cholesterol and triglycerides. The vitamins and minerals abundant in oranges help boost immunity and promote metabolism, thereby maximizing the benefits of nuts. The antioxidants in oranges help cleanse the blood and eliminate free radicals, strengthening blood vessels. Nuts further enhance these benefits, making this combination an excellent match. So, from now on, whenever you eat oranges, make sure to have a handful of nuts. This way, you'll not only enjoy the taste and nutrition, but also reap the benefits of preventing adult diseases and brain damage. We've covered the 3 worst and 3 best foods to pair with oranges. Let's summarize one last time. Don't eat oranges with milk instead, pair them with sweet potatoes. To preserve the abundant vitamins in oranges. Avoid pairing them with carrots and choose ginger to enhance the synergy. If you have diabetes, limit your orange intake and pair them with nuts for the best results. How do you feel about this? By enjoying healthy oranges with the right foods, you can protect your health and well-being. Thank you so much for staying with me for a long time. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like. And don't forget to share it with your precious family and friends. I always pray for your health and happiness. This has been your Dr. John. Thank you.